Hello friends, in the last session somebody asked me what is the difference between speak and talk. So let's see how we can use these two verbs and how we can use them correctly. Speak is a verb which can be used formally. You can use this verb in three situations. Number one, speak is used when you want to talk someone formally. Number two, it is used in some official setup such as like work, some kind of business or some meetings also. Number three, it is used when you want to say something important to someone, then you can say, I need to speak to you. Let's see talk. Talk is a verb which is used informally. So it is used in two situations. Talk can be used when you have a discussion with your friends, family members or your loved ones. So you can use I need to talk to you, I need to talk to you something like this. Number two, it is also used when you don't know the person but when you want to say something informally to him, you can use talk. So friends, I hope you have understood the difference between speak and talk. Let's revise it once more. Speak is a verb which is used formally, whereas talk is a verb which is used informally. So you can use these two verbs in a correct manner. Have a nice day friends, and join our channel to get latest information on English language. Do connect with us to get the timings of new batches as well. Have a nice day. Bye bye.